welcome back to my channel and happy new week to everyone. Thanks for joining me for another CVS deals video. Check your app because we received a $5 mystery offer for Revlon or Almay, and we have a $3 mystery offer for CoverGirl, and we also received some digital coupons that will actually help with this week's deal. Just make sure you're scanning your products in the store to see what coupon attaches. Let's start this video with the buy 2 get $3 extra care box on Axe deodorant or body spray, and it's a limit of 1. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. Pick 2 of the fine fragrance collection. They are priced at $9.49. That means the second one will be $4.75. Both will total $14.24. I have these two $3 off coupon. That's a tier pad coupon I found at CVS. It will drop it down to $8.24 and you get $3 extra care box back, making both $5.24 or $2.62 each. And we also received a 4 off 2 digital coupon that you can use in place of the paper coupon I just showed. The next deal I have will be on Axe body wash or shower gel. They're also on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 extra care box back. Pick up 2 of the body wash, priced at $6.49. The second one will be $3.25. Both will total $9.74. We received a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $5.74 and you get $3 extra care box back, making both just $2.74 or $1.37 each. The next deal I have will be on Oral-B toothbrushes. They are part of the buy 2 get $4 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 2 per week. Pick up 2 of the 1 count Oral-B toothbrush, priced at $4.99 each. Both will total $9.98. Today we received a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and I also have a 2 off 6 oral care CRT. With the coupon and the CRT, it will drop it down to $4.98 and you get $4 extra care box back, making both just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal I have is the buy 2 get $3 extra care box on any His Smile toothpaste, and it's a limit of 2. This week they're on sale for 2 for $8, and we don't have any coupon currently in our app that is attaching to this, but if you have any oral care CRT, you can use it with this. Like the 2 of 6 I have, it's going to drop it down to 8 and you get $3 extra care box back, making it $5 or $2.50 each. The next deal will be on CoverGirl Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy 3, get $10 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 3 of the CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils, priced at $5.79 each. All 3 would total $17.37. In 4/7 savings sets, there are $3 CoverGirl eye coupon that you can use. Use 3 of them. I'm not able to show the coupons because my region did not receive the $3 CoverGirl coupon. And we also received another $3 off CoverGirl mystery offer today. With the 3 coupons and the CRT, it's going to drop it down to $5.37 and you get $10 extra care box back, making all 3 free and a $4.63 moneymaker. The next deal I have is on Maybelline Cosmetics. They're on the deal of spend 15, get $5 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Maybelline blush, priced at $7.79 each. Both will total $15.58. We have a $2 digital coupon and a $3 digital coupon that will attach to each product. And I also have a 3 off 15 Maybelline CRT. If you still have your mystery offer from last week, that's a $4 CRT added to this deal. It will drop it down to $3.58 and you get $5 extra care box back, making both products free and $1.42 moneymaker. The next deal I have is on NYX Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $6 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. The cheapest item my store have is the lip liner, priced at $5.49 each. Both will total $10.98. If you have a 2 off 10 NYX CRT, use it with this deal and it will drop it down to $8.98 and you get $6 extra care box back, making both just $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next deal is on Aveeno or Neutrogena facial care, and they're on the deal of buy 2 get $5 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Neutrogena makeup remover, the 25 counts, priced at $7.99 each. Both will total $15.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and I also have a 3 off 10 Aveeno or Neutrogena facial care CRT that will drop it down to $9.98, and you get $5 extra care box back, making both just $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next deal I have is on You by Ces, and they're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 extra care box back. Pick up 2 of the 16 count liner priced at $1.98. That means the second one will be 95 cents. Both liners will total $2.84. We received a $1 off You by Ces digital coupon that will drop it down to $1.84, and you get $2 extra care box back, making both liners free and 16 cents money maker. The next deal I have here will be the buy 2 get $6 extra care box back on Gillette or Venus disposable razors, 3 to 4 counts, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 1 of the Gillette disposable razor, they're on sale for $6.99. And pick up 1 of the Venus disposable razor on sale for $6.99. Both will total $13.98. We have $3 digital coupon for the Gillette, and we also have $3 digital coupon for the Venus. After these 2 coupons come off, it will drop it down to $7.98, and you get $6 extra care box back, and that will end up making both packs just $1.98 or 99 cents each. These next 2 deals are not giving back any extra care box, but you can pick up some cheap Garnier whole blend or fruity shampoo or conditioner. They're on sale for 2 for $8. Pick up 2 of the whole blends. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and we also received a 2 off 2 CRT that will drop it down to just $3 or $1.50 each. If you prefer the fruity shampoo or conditioner, pick up 2 for $8 and use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and also the 2 off 2 CRT everybody received today, and pay just $3 for both or $1.50 each. Just a little reminder, the 2 of 2 CRT we received is just only one-time use. You either use it with the whole blend or you use it with the fruities. The next deal I have is the spend $20 get $10 extra care box on any Tresemme hair care, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 3 of the shampoo or conditioner. They are priced at $7.29 each. 3 of them are going to total $21.87. Everybody received a 5 off 3 digital coupon, and I also have a 3 off 15 Tresemme hair care CRT. The coupon and the CRT will drop it down to $13.87, and you get $10 extra care box back, making all 3 just $3.87 or $1.29 each. The last hair care deal I have in this video is buy 2 get $3 extra care box back on any L'Oreal or Vive shampoo or conditioner, and they're on sale for 2 for $9. Pick up 2. We received a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 5, and you get $3 extra care box back, making it just $2 or $1 each. The next deal I have is the spend $30 get $10 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1, but I will show 2 ways to do this deal. Pick up 1 of the Tide detergent, the 84 flow ounces, on sale for $14.99, and pick up the Scott paper towel, 6 big rolls, on sale for $5.99. And the last 2 items you can add to this deal is the 2 count FBR Small Spaces. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and they are priced at $6.59. That means the second one will be $3.30. If you don't want to pick up the 2 counts, you can pick up the single ones priced at $4.29. And since they are buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.15. In 4/7 savings set, we have a $2.30 coupon for FBR Small Spaces. I tried checking out to see how this deal will work out, since the second item is $2.15. It took both coupons, and my total with tax was $2.33. I did not complete the transaction, I just wanted to try it out to see how it works out. The total for these 4 items will be $30.87. Using a $3 digital coupon for the Tide and a $1 Scott digital coupon, use $2.30 off FBR Small Space coupon that we got from the 4/7 savings set. That will drop it down to $22.27 and you get $10 extra care box back, making all 4 items just $12.27 or $3.07 each. The second option I have is to pick up one of the Chic or Skintimate disposable razors. They're on sale for $7.99. You're just picking up one. Then pick up 2 of the FBR Small Space, the 2 count, on sale for buy one get one half off, and their price at $6.59. The second one will be $3.30. The third item you can pick up will be the Tide Pod, on sale for $13.49. These 4 items will total $31.37. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide Pod, and we also have a 4 off digital coupon for the Chic razor. From the 4/7 savings set, use 2 of the $2.30 off FBR Small Space coupon. These coupons will drop it down to $19.77 and you get $10 extra care box back, making all 4 just $9.77 or $2.44 each. The last deal in this video will be on General Mills cereal. They're on sale for $1.99 and it's not giving back any extra care box. Pick up 2 of the Lucky Charms and both will total $3.98. Check your app cause I have 2 of the $1 off 2 digital coupon that will double dip and take off $2. That will leave you to pay just $1.98. Then also submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back when you buy 2, and that will make these 2 boxes just 98 cents or 49 cents each. And this concludes my video today. Thank you all for your support and thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you on next.